How to create and manage tags in Wcart. From your Wcart admin dashboard, navigate to Products from the left sidebar. Under Products, click Tags. Here, you'll find a list of all the tags currently available in your store. To create a new tag, click the Add Tag button in the top right corner. This will open the Add Tag page. Start by entering the tag name. Next, enter the slug. The slug is used to create the web-friendly URL for the tag and can usually be generated from the tag name. You can also add an optional description to provide additional information about the tag. Scroll down to the SEO section. Enter a relevant meta title for the tag page. You can also configure the available SEO fields to help improve how the tag page appears in search engines. Once you've completed all the required information, then click Save. Your new tag will now be added to the tags list and can be assigned to your products. To update an existing tag, find the tag you want to modify and click Edit. You can update the tag name, slug, status, description, or SEO information. After making the necessary changes, click Save to update the tag. If you no longer need a tag, click the Delete option beside the corresponding tag. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Review and click Delete to permanently remove it. Thank you for watching.